based on the Angular resources to connect to my engine and retrieve my data, especially the list of processes, list of tasks, username, authentication, things like that. And lastly, we have Bootstrap. That's for the fancy look and feel for the presentation layer. And here we have the core source code of our application. So before I go more into details in this application, I'll just take a couple of seconds to explain a bit how NGBonita works, because every data that is here relies on NGBonita. So let me just open quickly the page, the GitHub page of the project. So NGBonita, that's the GitHub page of the project. I'll just take a couple of seconds to show you a code example of what can be done with NGBonita. So this is the application you saw is based on this library, and it's just a bit more than what is actually happening. So let's just take a couple seconds to analyze this bit of code. So what does it do? We create a module, so pretty much like my portal application does, it's inside a module. I have configured my Bonita endpoint to be the same as my local host. So this is the link URL to my portal. And then I'm inside a controller. My controller needs a couple of dependencies: scope for variables, logging for tracing things to the browser console, and it requires also Bonita authentication and process definition resources. So these are coming from NGBonita. And then let's see what happens inside this bit of code. So the first call here is to call the authentication resource, Bonita authentication. So we log in with some user, here Walter Bates.